This is a very easy to use and visually appealing appointment scheduling tracker. You can see all of your appointments at a glance, and everything is color coded so you know immediately what each visit is for. This is my latest version and it comes with a bunch of new features, so let's check it out. This appointment scheduling tracker can be used by any type of office, including medical offices, clinics, wellness centers, studios, spas, legal offices. Every appointment block can be color coded. This new version of the appointment scheduling tracker has 16 options. You can use it to indicate different appointment statuses such as confirmed or no-show or completed. And you can also use it to indicate what type of appointment it is. For example, a facial or say a filler and so on. In each appointment block, you can include several lines of information about your customers. Say I type in Linda Peters and there's phone number. And then I include she's coming in for a filler. Maybe she also wants another consultation and so on. You can also block off extra periods of time for any client. Say for this client, I want to give her an extra block of time. I'll simply highlight this and hit merge and center, and now she has both of these time periods for her appointment. You can change the status of the appointment. Say this client had come in and the appointment is completed. You can go in and change the appointment status to completed by marking this tick mark, and this gets grayed out. Similarly, you can change the color of any existing appointment. For example, this one, we will change it to something like CO, and you'll see the color gets changed. You can even block out periods of time that you will be out of the office. Say on Monday, you will be out of the office during this time period. Choose O and this will get grayed out. You can have any start date for each month. I've set it at January 1 over here. I can set it to Jan 15th and you'll notice immediately all of the dates change. We now start from January 15th, which is a Thursday, and we keep going down. Next, you can have any start time. Currently, it's set to 7 a.m. I can change it to 8 a.m. And immediately you notice all the blocks have changed starting from 8 a.m. Then you can have any time interval. I've set it to 30 minutes. You can set it to 15-minute intervals, and immediately all the appointment blocks will change to 15-minute intervals. Each month has its own tab, so you can set appointments for all of the months. All of these options are completely customizable by you. You can change any of the codes over here. For example, need to confirm, you can change the N to NC. You can even change the text over here. For example, consult can be changed to consultation, and so on. The colors are preset and cannot be changed. In the settings tab, you can change the names of all the insurance companies. There are 30 insurance companies included. You can also change the names of the different visit types. For example, if you are a med spa, you could change it to something like facial, filler, and so on. Then we have a patient info tab, and over here you would enter the patient name, choose the insurance company from the list, enter the telephone number, email, address, special instructions, and any notes. Then you have the patient visit info tab, and over here you can choose the patient name, enter the visit date, choose the visit type, what is being charged, special instructions, and notes. This spreadsheet is available both in Excel and Google Sheets. It is an instant download and you can get it from my website moneyusage.com. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can also get it at my website moneyusage.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you on my next video.